So starting with a new topic here is discount. So what does discount means? Like if you go in a shop, you see there is a product and it is marked at some price. The shopkeeper says that it costs rupees 1000 and he says that he will give you a discount of 20%. So you have to pay a bit less amount, you have to pay 800 for it. It is marked at 1000 and you have to pay 800 and discount was 20%. So what are the terms used in this? The first is marked price. What is marked price? Marked price, the price listed of an article, price listed of an article, okay, or marked, okay, a price of an article that is listed or marked in the price tag. You must have seen price tag, right? And the price written on that price tag is called the marked price. So the second term here is discount. The amount decreased on list price. Amount decreased on list price, or list price is also known as marked price. The amount decreased in list price or the marked price. Okay. And the third term here is SP, that is selling price. It is price paid by the customer after discount. Okay, so there is a price at which the product is marked and shopkeepers offers some discount, and after the discount the customer pays a decreased amount, decreased price of that product, of that article. So this is SP. So these were the three terms used in this. So what is it? If we see, so the first formula in this chapter uses that selling price is equals to marked price, it is MP, this is SP. Marked price minus discount means the shopkeeper decreases the marked price or the listed price. The amount decreased on list price or marked price. So this is the amount decreased, and after decreasing the customer has to pay this. So this is the first formula here. Okay. Okay. Amount decreased on list price or marked price means discount is related to the list price or marked price, that is MP. Okay. So discount is always given on the marked price. So discount is equals to, if discount percent is given, so discount is equals to discount percent of MP, means D upon 100 into MP. This is discount. Okay. So this was the second formula. Or one more thing, that if we have to calculate discount percent, it is equals to discount upon MP into 100%. Okay, this is discount formula for discount percent. So this was the third formula. Okay, so here SP was equals to MP minus discount, that is MP minus, if discount percent is given, MP minus this, so it will be equals to MP into 1 minus D percent upon 100. So this is the fourth formula. These are the formulas in this chapter. So now starting with the questions, we have first question here is, so the first question here is, a quote is marked at rupees 1200. Marked means this is the marked price, rupees 1200. It's find its SP. SP is not known. Discount of 15%. So discount percent is equals to 15%, and we have to find SP. Okay, the formula for SP was MP into 1 minus D percent upon 100. Okay, so MP is 1 minus D means 15 upon 100 into, taking 100 LCM here, 100 minus 15. Okay, so 1200 into 85 upon 100. This is reduced, so now 85 into 12 will give us the SP. So SP here will be 1020 rupees. So this is the answer in this question. So what next? Our next question says here that a man pays rupees 2100 for a machine listed at rupees 2800. Man pays this much means SP is given as 2100. Okay, MP listed means marked price. Listed price means marked price. Find the discount percent. Okay, so discount is equals to MP minus SP. So MP here is this, SP here is this, so discount is 700 rupees. Discount percent is equals to discount upon MP into 100%. Okay, so discount here is 700 upon MP is 2800 into 100. This is this 1 4, here it is 25%. So this is the discount percent here. So next question here is that the list price of a table is 840. List price means the marked price is rupees 840 and it is available at a discount of 25%. Discount here is 25%. What does retailer pay for it? Means we have to find the SP. What price will retailer pay? That is SP. The formula for SP was MP into 1 minus D percent upon 100. MP is 840 into 1 upon 1 minus 25 upon 100. So here, taking here 100 as the LCM, 100 and 100 minus 25, 840 into 75 upon 100. Okay, 3s are 4s are 4 1s are 21, 21 into 3 is 63 rupees. So this is the SP. This is the answer in this question. The retailer will pay 630 for the table fan. Okay. Next question is this, that if the shopkeeper marks his goods at 50% more than CP and allows a discount of 40%, find his gain or loss percent. What you will do, we don't know the CP. Okay, so as the gain or loss is calculated as per the CP, so what we will do, we will start with taking CP. Let CP be X. Okay, and shopkeeper marks his goods at 50% above, means MP is given as CP plus 50% of CP. 50% more than CP. We will calculate 50% of CP and then add it to CP itself. So this will be its MP. So CP was X plus 50 upon 100 X. It will become 1 upon 2. That is X plus 1 upon 2X. It can be written as, taking 2 as the LCM, you will get 3x upon 2 rupees. So MP is 3x upon 2 rupees. Next we are given the discount percent. Discount percent is 40% and we have to calculate his gain or loss. So MP is 3x upon 2. Discount is 40% and we have to calculate gain or loss. Discount is always given on 40% of MP. Discount is always given on MP and profit and loss is always calculated on CP. So we have to find gain or loss, that is profit or loss percent. So profit or loss can only be calculated if we know the selling price and the cost price of the good. We know the cost price and we have to calculate the selling price. It is said that discount of 50%. So after applying the discount of 40% of MP, you will get what? You will get SP. So SP will be 1 minus D percent upon 100. MP is D percent is, MP was 3x by 2, discount is 40%. So this, taking 100 as the LCM, so SP here is into 60 upon 100. Okay, so this can be reduced by this 3s, it is equals to 9x upon 10. So our CP was X and SP is 9x upon 10. 9x upon 10 is less than CP, means 9x upon 10 is less than CP, means SP is less than CP. So there is loss. SP here is 9x upon, sorry, CP minus SP. CP is X and SP here is 9x upon 10. Taking 10 as the LCM, 10x minus 9x, sorry 10. So it is equals to 1x upon 10. So loss is 1x upon 10. So loss percent will be loss upon CP into 100%. Here loss is 1x upon 10. CP is X into 100%. This and this is reduced. This is this. We are left with 10%. We had to calculate loss percent. So this is the loss percent here. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay. Next question here is that a publisher offers a discount of 12% on his book. So discount here is 12% and still makes a profit of 20%. Profit discount percent is 12%, profit percent is 20%. What is the actual cost of book if it is marked at marked price means MP is rupees 260. What is the actual cost? And we have to find CP. Okay, we have to find CP. So from profit and MP nothing can be found, as profit is related with CP and we don't know CP. And discount and MP, using discount and MP you can get SP, and profit is related to SP in somewhat way. So SP is equals to MP 1 minus D percent upon 100. Okay, so MP here is 260, 1 minus 12 upon 100. So taking 100 as the LCM here, you will get 260 into 88 upon 100. Okay, this and this is reduced, so SP will be equals to 2288 upon 10, that is rupees. Okay, profit is given as 20%, so CP will be SP into 100 upon 100 plus P percent. So 228.8 into 100 upon 100 plus P percent is 20%. So it is 2288. Removing this decimal you will get this, sorry, into 100 upon 120. This is this and this is reduced, so 288 upon 12. Okay, so what you will get, 190.67 rupees. Okay, so this is our answer in this question. Okay.